Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this inside plastic hoop. It comes disassembled. It's pretty easy though. No tool is required. Nothing that's not provided with it, but you get a net. This hoop here is plastic, sort of a hard plastic. Then you have a plastic base, and then this actually will fold up, and I'll show you why that's really important. You have this backing, and this backing, you have two of these plastic backings that screw in 1, 2, 3, 4. All the provided hardware comes with this. You peel it off. Again, there's two of these. So if this was going to be put in two different rooms or locations, you could stick one place and stick another this place, and then you would just use these screws. You would unscrew from one, screw into the other. So you have some movability as far as the hoop is concerned. Pretty easy to install. This, as mentioned, is sticky. Put it on sheetrock. Putting it on the back of the door is actually really convenient. So in this situation, we are going to put it right here. You just stick it nice and level. Now, when the door is open, there's a wall here. And so if the door is open, you would do this. It would go and then it would hit like that. And that doesn't make it work, especially on a door that is in a room. So it's not, if the door was on the outside of the room, it wouldn't be a big deal. But the way this is set up, you just fold it up out of the way, open the door. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool, you don't just get this with it, you do get a basketball as well. And the basketball that comes with this is like an indoor kind of squishy, doesn't, you don't fill it up with air. It's kind of like a sponge type soft material. Very, very nice. That's the brand right there. This is like imprinted on it, but it doesn't, when you bounce it, it doesn't, it's very quiet. But it has enough bounce that even if you're over 6 feet tall, you don't have to do a lot of pressure to kind of bounce. Got some good bounce. Very, very cool. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little test, a little overview, a little tutorial about our indoor hoop and basketball set, how it's installed, and the cool part is that how it will go out of the way, especially in a situation like this. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. I will talk to you soon.